Fine now, everything fine now, guys. Come on. Everything is fine now. Okay. So fine. Who is asking that doubt? Okay. So here, what is that? If you are sending homogeneous data only, right? And if you are sending the multiple, then which kind of data? You if you take the primitive data, it's possible to you can take multiple email here. Come on, friend. Unmute yourself where you are.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Mayank, I think,
Yes, I
right?
want to send means like we. Yes, yes, man.
Yes.
So we are taking string array. In that string array, we are taking multiple emails.
Then,
Yes, no.
yes.
Then my question is just कि when just we are getting some data है ना from backend. Listen, हाँ,
Hmm.
and we collected list मतलब like list of emails है ना.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
first we will convert into array है ना, and then pass it to send maybe.
You're talking about batch processing, right? Here, just I'm
not
normally.
not not batch. Okay, okay. I'm just लाइक जैसे मैं हिंदी में बोलूँ तो जैसे हम का मतलब डेटाबेस से
Hmm.
लाइक जैसे 7 क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स का डाटा ईमेल्स पूरी लेते हैं है ना.
Mhm.
तो जस्ट वो हमें क्या वहाँ से हमें क्या मिलेगा एंड रियल टाइम में लिस्ट मिलेगी. ठीक है.
List
तो
मिलेगा.
लिस्ट मिलने के बाद पहले हम उसको यस यस तो फिर हम उसको अरे में कन्वर्ट करेंगे पहले
No,
एंड
why
देन
you
वी
will
विल पास इट
you
टू
can okay
एंड.
if you want if you have that much doubt just what you will do now what you will do now here you have to do what you have to take what is that list of string that's it. Here I taken what is that string of array, right? You have to take what string of list. That is also possibility is there, right?
Okay, okay, yeah, that is my doubt only. So we
That
can take list also,
because
or we should it convert into array only.
hmm,
You
yeah.
can yeah, you can take list array only here.
Here you can take no list string, right? List what is that string because generic type also is specified because all email is what string only, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
So
yes.
you can take list also. Here I taken what is that array. You there you can take list array.
Array, array.
Sorry, list. What is that? List of generic type string. List generic type string. That's it. You that one also work. Okay, that one also work. Fine. So now shall we move on?
Okay, that is my doubt. Yeah, yeah, sure.
Hmm. Okay, guys. So
Thank you.
let's move on. Okay, let's move on and we will implement these things as what programmatically, guys. So now fine now, guys. So I'm going to create the project, right? I'm going to create the project. Inside that, what I'm going to do now? Now file new. What is that? Spring Starter. In the Spring Starter, what I'm going to do now? Mail application. Mail application I'm taking, right? Mail application I'm taking. Now next, now what I'm going to do here, I'm adding the mail. What is that dependency, guys? Okay. So mail, what is that? Just select mail. Yes, search the mail only. Whenever you will search the mail, see that Java mail sender. Select this one. Okay. Automatically in form.xml that dependency will add. That dependency will add. Now finish. Yeah, this one, right? Now open this one. Now I'm opening the pom.xml. See this in the pom.xml. There starter will add, guys. Okay, mail starter will add it. See this, what is that dependency? Mail starter, right? Mail starter. Which one I copied from what? Which one I copied from internet in the initial you only, right? In the initial time where this one. See this dependency is added. What? We don't have need to copy it also. This much facility Spring Boot application is given, right? Application boot is given, right? So based on, right, this dependency is added in what form.xml. So now guys, so I said that, right, and come in the application, come inside that what application, what I said now. So interacting with what is that, our what is that server, a mail server, we have need to this, right, this object, right? So what in Spring, what we are doing, right, we are configuring like this, right? But here what we will do now, in application property, we have need to use what, this property, right? This, what is that, this attribute, right, this key and value. Then this, we don't have need to write this code. Okay, so let's do these things only, right? So what we will do now, guys, what we will do now, we will go inside that what resource, right? We will open the property file. Okay, so what is that Spring, we will write that key, right? Spring dot what, mail. Spring dot what is that, mail, what is that, host host, what is that, host equal to what? 1 minute, guys, it's internet problem, right? My system is hanging. Wait, it's hanging now, guys. Yeah, equal to what is that, SMTP, right? SMTP dot what, SMTP dot what, gmail.com. Gmail.com, right? Okay, so fine. Now next key is what, guys? What's happening here? Okay, next key is what, guys? Is spring dot what, mail. Spring dot what, mail. Okay, see this already I wrote right here, spring dot mail. Okay, so these things we are writing now. Okay, spring dot what, mail dot what is that, port is there, right? Spring dot what, port is there. The port number is what, 587 na. Okay, so now next one is what, spring dot what, mail. Dot what, mail user name, right? Username. So what is the username password we have? Okay, so this is okay, this is the already Gmail is there. Now I'm copying this username, and what I'm doing now, I'm pasting here. Okay, another one more key is there. What, spring dot what, mail. Spring dot mail, what is that, password, right? Spring dot what, mail password, right? Fine. Now guys, so next one is what, we will take, this is the password of that application, that Gmail, right? Now paste it. Okay, another one is what, one more property is there. What is that, spring dot what, mail dot what, property, properties property dot what, mail dot what, mail, what is that, s smtp dot what, st dot enable equal to true. We have need, that's it guys. Okay, so now after doing this much things, okay, now you want to search on the internet these things, you want to see from where we can get it. So okay, Spring Boot, right? Spring Boot mail property. Yes, see this guy. Spring Boot, what is that? Spring Boot mail property, Spring Boot mail host, SMTP, right? Spring Boot mail port, Spring Boot mail username, right? Username. After the Spring mail, what is that? Spring what? Spring, but this is the small, first letter is small now, okay? No problem, we will do. After then, what is that? After then what? Spring Boot, Spring Mail property mail SMTP. This one is no need, but this one is need. Okay, this one is more important. Okay, so we already we are completed these things. Okay, already what we are completed these things inside this what. Okay, so this one is the small letter guys, not a capital. These are. Okay. Based on this property, how much operation we completed now, guys? Based on this property, how much operation we completed now? This operation we completed. Okay. So see this, how much burden is reduced now. See this area we completed now. Okay. So this much area we completed, right? These things we completed, guys. Okay. This area we completed. Okay. So fine now. This operation we completed, just doing what is that, just for the property, because of that property we are enabling all those things. Okay, so think about that. Okay, so we don't have need to write these things. Okay, now we have need to concentrate on what, this area, right? This area. So let's develop these things. Okay, let's do these things and we will send the mail. Okay, we will send the mail. Okay guys, so as a what, as a programmatically. So now what we will do now, so okay, so let's come inside that. Let's create one class. Okay. What is the class name we decided, guys? What is the class name we decided in the what? See here com.rk.mail, right? We decided what is that? Com.rk.mail package. Okay. So let's create one package. Right click new. What is that class? So here, what is that? Dot mail, right? Mail. What is that? Mail service, right? Mail service. Okay. What is that? Mail service. Now finish it. Okay, fine. So come inside that what? So okay, this is the class, right? This is the class. So how our IOC container will create the object of this class? We will apply on the top of at the rate component, right? At the rate what? Component annotation. Now I apply. Then our IOC container will create the object. After then, what is the need of to? What is that interacting with the server, right? Our application will interact it now. So for that, we have need to make the Java mail sender with the easy relation in our class, right? Mail service class. So what is that? What we are taking? Java mail sender, right? So now come here. Let's take what is that private Java mail sender, right? Java mail sender, okay? Sender, okay. Fine now. So this is the object now. So what we will do now, guys, at the rate auto wire. we will apply on the top of what? This class as what? Auto add. Okay, fine now guys. So now let's start the writing the logic. What is the logic now? What is the logic we will write? So we decided to make the method as what? Sender, and that method, oh sorry, I forgot to here colon boolean. Data type we will take boolean. Data type we will take as a what? Boolean, right? So now fine guys, so let's do this operation, right? Let's create this method. Okay, based on this one, what is that? This arguments, right? Based on this MIME, right? So what we will do now, let's create one method. What is the method? We will take public boolean send, right? Send. Okay, so fine now guys. Okay, so here what is that? Inside this try catch I'm taking, right? Okay, fine. So now fine guys. So fine. So here what I'm going to do now, I'm taking one. What is that? I'm taking inside that what? Argument. Yeah, fine. Okay, come here. What is that? Send it to. Okay. So two, right? Two we will take a string, right? Two we will take as a argument as what? String only, right? So what is that? String two, comma. Another property is what? Another one is what is there now, guys? Another one is what? Another one is what? Another one is CCC is there, right? Now CCC. Now what is that? String array we will take. What is that? String array? What? CCC, comma. Fine. So now another one is what? String BCC is there, right? So again, what is that? String array. What is that? BCCC I'm taking, right? Another one more is there. What? One more is there. What? Subject, right? Subject. String subject. BCC array, right? Subject string. Okay. So come inside that. What is that? String subject, right? String, what is that? String subject. Now find another one more is there. What? And one more is there. What, guys? String subject is there. Now another one is what? String subject is completed. Not text area, right? Not text area. Fine now. String text. Fine. After then what is that? After then what? We will take what is that? Resource file, right? Resource object interface. This is the interface is there to attach the file. Resources. Okay. Now fine. Fine guys. Argument is ready now. Okay. So here just I'm taking what? One. Here what I'm taking now, guys? Here I'm taking what? One boolean. Boolean. Okay. Here I'm taking here only. Yeah. Yeah. Here I'm taking what is that? Boolean. Boolean. Okay. Boolean is send. If everything is fine, right? If everything is fine, then what is that? False. By default, you have a false. Okay. By default, if everything is fine, right? If everything is fine, so what will happen now? Here what is that? If everything is what? Correct, right? Then what? Send, right? Send. Else what? True. Make this one as what? True. Logic we will write now is what we will do now. If anything is wrong, right? Then what is that? false, right? Okay. Here what we will do now, after ending that, what we will do now, guys, one more. Return is sent. Okay. To avoiding this one, this what is that? This error. Okay. Here also we will do that same only. Control Z. What's happening now, guys? Some confusion I don't want to create. Okay. So I created, what is that method return? What is that return? Just I'm what is that I'm taking inside that, what, guys? Inside this one, what I'm taking now? Inside that I'm taking what? Boolean. Boolean is send, right? Send. If send, then what is that? False. Just I'm taking what? False. False, right? False. Now fine, guys. Okay. So false. Okay. So I'm taking, what is that? And after, then what is that? What I'm returning is what is that? Send. Is send I'm returning. That's it. Okay. So find FALS. Okay. So now fine now, guys. Confusion. I don't want to create the confusion. Okay. Okay. So fine now, guys. Okay. So here inside that we will write the logic. Inside this class, what we will do now? We will write the logics now. Okay. We will write the logics. So what we will do now? Try, and what is that? Catch. We will take the catch block. Okay. Okay. So what we will do now? First, what we will do now? Create. What is that? Create here. What we will create? What we will create? Create what? Create a new YUME message object, right? First, what we will do now? We will create the, what is that? My messages, guys. Okay, my messages. Come in the diagram here. Come to the diagram, because this operation we completed, right? I told we will take the helper class. Okay, we will take the helper class, right? Helper class is what? My messages helper, right? My messages what? Helper. Now fine now, guys. So come here, let's create it, right? Let's so but using, what is that? Sender reference, right? Sender reference. What we will do now? We will take the sender reference. Okay. Sender dot, what is that? Sender dot what is that? Create mime type, right? Create mime type. Fine. Okay. If you want, it's a mime type. Okay. Now why my, okay, declaration, open declaration. I'm opening the declaration. Okay, see what is the, this is the create mime type. This one will create the, what is that? Create, it will create, what is that, guys? What is that? This form. It will create the, this object will create the this form. Now its return type is what? Same. My messages only. Now the return type is what? The return type is what? My messages, right? So it will return, right? The, this method will return what? Same. What is that? Same object. Just I'm taking what? Messages. Okay. Now fine now, guys. Control Shift O. Fine. Next step, what we will do now? We will use that, right? We will use that from here onwards. See that, concentrate. Okay. From here onward, what we will do now? I'm commenting now. User helper. User helper class. And what? User helper class, and what is that? We will fill details, right? Like what kind of details? To CCC, BCC, BCCC, dot dot etc. This information we will fill using what is that, this object, right? Using what is that, message, what is that, its implementation class, guys, right? See this, what is that, my messages helper, I told, right? By using this helper class, what we will do now, we will fulfill this data, right? So now fine, let's create that object. What is that, mime, what is that, mime message helper, right? Mime messages, what is that, helper I'm taking. Now fine, now guys, next what we will do now, new mime messages. Okay, so okay, no problem. Okay, first argument, it's having what, two argument, guys. Okay, it's having what, two argument. First argument, it will take this, what is that, message, right? Message, mime messages. Okay, second one is what, true or false. We can give what is that, true or false, I will tell. Okay, so concentrate here. Okay, concentrate here. Okay, so fine now, guys, so just think about that. Means what is the meaning of true and false? True, if we are attaching the file, right? If we are attaching the file, if it will true, then we can able to send the right what, attachment file, guys. Okay, if this one is false, if this one is what, false, if this one is what, false, if this one is what, false, then if we attach also, this file will not able to, we can't able to send it, right? We can't able to send it. So for that, see that if we are making that, if unfortunately if we are attaching the file, we can't utilize that service, right? If we are making true, every time true, right? So if we are not attaching the file, then memory wastage is there or not, guys? Come on, if we are not attaching every time, if we are making this one as what, true only, so then what will happen now, guys? Come on, memory wastage is there or not? Our application performance will reduce or not, guys? Come on, come on. So then fine. Okay, so then what we will do now, guys? We will write the logic, some logic we will write, such a way we will write the logic. Okay, such a way we will write the logic. If we are using, then also fine. If we are not using, our memory, our application performance will not be wasted, right? Our application performance will not be wasted, right? So how we can write it now, guys? How we can write it now? Let's see that. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so fine now, guys. Okay, so what we will do now, file is there, right? This file we will take copy, because the file attachment, right? So what we will do now, okay, we will take the file. Okay, yes, okay, take the file equal to, right? Equal to, we will write the logic file. If a file, right? File, oh, sorry, file not equal to, right? If file not equal to null, right? If file equal to not equal to null, then what will happen now? What will happen now? True, condition should be true. Okay, or false, right? Means if file not there, right? then also the condition, what is that, file, then false, right? If file is there, then true. Then if we write like this condition, then what is that, if file is not there, then memory will not waste. Okay, if file is there, then condition will true, then what, memory will create. Now this is the correct logic or not, guys? Come on, this is the core Java logic. Maybe I don't have need to explain here, I think. Okay, anyone need to explanation about this one? Okay, fine. So we created, right? We created this helper class, right? We created what? This helper class. Fine now, guys. So after using this helper class, what we will do now, guys? We will set that. What is that? We will set the object, right? What we will do now? What we will do now? Helper dot what? Helper dot what? Set two, right? Set two. Okay, I'm setting the two. Okay, 2, what is that? What is that? 2 is there, right? 2, okay, fine, fine, okay. So now fine, okay. Guys, every time we are not sending the CCC and BCC, right? Every time we are not sending the CCC, okay? So for that we will write some condition, right? If, right? If, what is that? If CCC not equal to null, right? Not equal to what? Null. I'm writing the logic, okay? If CCC not equal to null, then operation will perform, right? Then operation, then what is that? Helper dot what? Helper dot what? Set CCC, right? Set CCC. Okay. So this argument, what is that? CCC we will pass here. Okay. Now another one is what? Also we are not every time using what is the BCC also, right? Then what is that? What is that? BCC not equal to null. If not equal to null, right? Then what operation we will do now? Helper dot what? Helper dot what, guys? Helper dot what? Set BCC. Set BCC, right? Now fine. Another one is what? String subject is there, right? String, what is that? String subject is there, right? String subject is there. So string subject we are passing every time, right? Without what is that? Without subject we are not sending, na? So what is that? If, what is that? BCC, right? If BCC, okay. If BCC, right? If BCC, no need to put the condition. Just directly helper dot what? Helper dot what? Helper dot what? Subject, right? Subject. Subject is there. Just pass the subject. Another one is what? Text area is there, right? Another one is what? Text is there, right? Another one, helper dot what? Set text. Okay, inside that we will pass the text. Okay, so fine now, guys. So fine now. After then, what is that? File attachment. For the file attachment, if we want to send the file also, right? So for that we will add those things also. So what is that? But file maybe every time will not be there, right? So what is that? If file file not equal to null. If file not equal to null, then what? Then operation will be there. Helper dot what? Helper dot what, guys? Helper dot what? Add attachment, right? Add what? Attachment. Now fine. Inside that attachment, what we will do now? We will take the file dot what is that? File dot what? Get attachment. Sorry, get name. We will take the get name, right? After then we will pass here what? File. That file we will pass it. Okay. So now till now the things is completed now, guys. After doing these things, okay, after doing these things, what we will do now? After doing these things, what we will do now, guys? We will send the message using what is the sender message. What is that? Sender. Take the sender reference now. Dot what is that? Send. And here what we will do now? We will pass this message. That's it. Okay. Fine now, guys. Fine. If message is successfully sent, right? Now what we will do now? Then we here we are taking, right? Here we are taking this one, okay? So this one will become what? True. Equal to true. True. Fine. If anything is goes wrong, right? If anything is goes wrong, then what will happen now? False. This block will execute. False, right? So now the logic has completed. Now here we will take the error also. What is the e dot? What is that? Print stack. Fine now, guys. The logic is completed. Like this, we will write the logic, right? Like this we will write the logic. Okay. Okay, fine now guys. Okay, so now let's our application, let's test it. Okay, let's test our application and we will see that our application is working as properly or not. Okay, so now next one is what we will do now guys. What we will do now, we will write one runner class. Okay, we will write what? One runner class. So what we are deciding, already we decided or not? No, okay, no problem. Okay, let's write one runner class. Right click, new. Oh, right click, new. What is that class? Let's take. Okay, what is that? Message runner app. Okay, so
अभी package.
sorry. Message app runner. Now finish it. Next, finish. Okay, so here what we will do now, implement what? Command line runner, right? Okay, so fine now guys. After then what we will do now, to create the object of this class, what is that? Array component. Okay, we applied on the top of this class. Fine. Inside this one abstract, R6 S plus V abstract method. Fine. Okay. So now fine guys. So this one, right? This is the our what mail service is there, right? So what we will do now here, we will auto wire, right? Private. What is that? Mail. Because this is the think about, this is the test class, our test class, like, okay, mail mail. What is that? Mail. I wrote wrong spelling, right? Okay, no problem. Okay, so here what we will do now, mail server, right? Mail server, just what we will do now, mail, right? Fine. Okay, so after then what we will do now, we will auto wire. Right? After auto wiring this, what next? What we will do now, guys? Let's what create, what is that? Call that method, right? Call that what method? So before that, what we will do now? Okay, no problem. Fine. Okay, so call that method. What we will do now? How we
Ravi,
can
here
call?
mail sender or mail service?
Mail service only.
service, sir.
Mail service.
But written
Mail sender.
Yes. Mail service.
Oh. You. Fine. Correct. Fine. Okay. So next, what we will do now? Good observation. Okay. Good observation. So now fine. Now. Okay. Let's move on. Okay. Let's move on. Okay. So fine now, guys. So next, what we will do now? We will send that. What is that? Just we will take the mail. That. What is that? Mail dot what? Send. What is the method is there?